Then this is crop, the food particles stored here. Then this is contamination of esophagus.
Yes.
Then this is proventriculus. This is glandular portion, and this is gizzard. Grindings are feed grindings are happened there. Then this is duodenum, U-shaped, and within the duodenum this is pancreas at the middle portion of duodenum. Then this is maybe spleen.
Yes.
And then this is jejunum, the coil-shaped organ. Then this is mesentery. Then the straight portion after the continuation of jejunum, the straight portion. This is ileum. Then these two are cecum. Then this straight portion is colon, and this is cloaca.
Junction.
And this junction is called iliosacocolic junction. মেসেন্টারি মাস্টার এগুলো কি